Alright guys, I'm drinking coffee made from poop. It actually looks weird too. It's got like, I don't know, some stuff on top. It looks very weird. So we're here at a coffee farm in Bali. I'm here with my new friend Adi, and the place is called Uma Pakel. This coffee farm actually has an animal that eats the beans, poops them out, they clean them, and then cook them and make coffee with it. So he's going to walk you through the process and discuss a little bit about the recipe, and we're going to taste it at the end. So stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome to Mapakel House of Coffee and Tea, and also we have swing downstairs. So my name is Adi. I will be your tour guide here. I would like to explain a little bit about the coffee plant here, because we have many type of coffee and also we have many type of tea, and also we have one of the special coffee from the animal poop. That's Luwak Coffee. We have two type of the coffee plant. That's Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. Yeah, here we go. This is kind of Arabica coffee, small leaf, and also we have Robusta over there. This is Robusta like this. This is big leaf, and then the coffee beans look like this, but the green one still unripe. So later the color will be coming yellow. Last is red. So the animal only eat red color because they choose the best quality of the coffee bean. Actually, that's why we use that animal to eat the coffee, because the animal very smart. The animal only choose the best quality of the coffee bean. This is the animal like I showed you before, because we have one of the special coffee from the animal poop. That's Luwak coffee. In Bali we call Luwak because the animal eat the coffee bean. So here, this is our coffee machine here. Actually, the animal nocturnal, the animal, because the animal only active at night time. And also here only for showing people, so we keep in the cage. Actually the animal, the wild animals stay on the jungle. So we get the coffee from the jungle actually. So we need to find the coffee on the jungle, because if you throw the coffee here, for example, they don't like it, because the animal pick them by themselves, the coffee bean on the trees, on the jungle. So every morning we need to find it, the poop on the jungle as well. Look like this, the poop of those animal after the comes out, yeah. But this one not clean yet, so we need to clean by hot water first, but this one already dried like I showed you before. We need to dry under the sun around 2 weeks, and then this one we need to clean by hot water until the poop is gone. This is for the clean one. Look like this, the clean one look like peanut actually. Yeah, coffee bean has two protective actually here, so we need to feel it, because coffee bean has two skin here, so we feel it by hand. One, yeah, this is the first skin. Yeah, and then other skin as well here, like 2 layers. Yeah, this is the coffee actually. The coffee bean inside doesn't touch with the food, no worries. Yeah, actually we get the coffee from the animal poop, but after the process, no worries. Here we drink coffee, not drink poop actually. Yeah, not drink poop or something like that. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how look like the vanilla flower actually. Like this. This is vanilla. But this one we need to dry, and then we make it powder, and then we mix with the Bali coffee powder. Here the process for to roasting the coffee, because all the process by manual, it's not machine. So we need to roasting around 1 hour or 45 minutes, because medium roasted. And also we use like wood fire here. That's low fire to make the coffee good aroma. But we take 1 hour because we need the color of the coffee change color, become brown like so. After the roasting one become like this. This is after the roasting one become brown.
There you go. That looks like the coffee at Starbucks right there.
And then this one ready to grind it the coffee to make it the powder. We need to put here, and then we grind it like this. After grind it, we need to filter the coffee actually. We put here. Yeah. We need to sieve it like this.
Yeah.
And then we get the coffee powder like this.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, this is the last result, yeah, the coffee powder. And then to prepare the coffee actually very easy. Just put by hot water, that's ready to drink the coffee actually, like instant coffee. Okay. Here we go. And also we have other spices to make tea. We have turmeric here. This is look like this, the turmeric root, this one. Here we make become tea as well, because turmeric very good for inflammation, very good for stomach as well. but we need to make it powder. And then the powder later we mix with some honey and sugar as well. This is skin of fruit, actually mangosteen skin. Mango and mangosteen different, yeah. Mangosteen similar like passion fruit. So here we take only skin inside to make tea as well, because good for antioxidant, very good for skin, for beauty one as well. We have ginger. This is ginger root. We make tea as well here, because ginger very good for throat, make the body warm, but the taste little bit spicy. If you feel cold, you drink ginger tea. It's good for your cold, yeah. It's better. Have lemongrass, look like this. Lemongrass also here we make become tea.
Okay.
But we need to make it powder as well. So lemongrass tea very good for headache, sometimes good for hangover as well. We have cinnamon here. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon bark. But look like this is cinnamon. We take from the bark and then become like this. Here we make become tea as well.
That's how you make cinnamon, from bark?
Yeah, from
Really?
the bark.
I
Yeah,
didn't
we
know
take the
that.
bark.
Why does cinnamon look like it comes in sticks sometimes?
Because we dry it first. Look like stick.
You crush it and then
Yeah,
you make it into
we,
sticks?
yeah. We crush it
Oh.
and then make it stick actually.
Look at that, I just learned something.
Actually, cinnamon that's good for cooking.
Yeah.
Good for cooking.
Cooking,
Make
tea, oatmeal,
tea
yeah.
as well. And then the last one is cacao, chocolate.
Chocolate,
Yeah,
yeah.
to make
everybody
hot
loves
chocolate. Yeah.
yeah.
Look like this. The
It's real
the bean,
chocolate
yeah.
right there.
This is the last shoot for me. We have swing as well. I'm gonna show you the swing later. Yeah. This is the lemongrass as well. Look like this, the lemongrass, and also we have pineapple. That's the cacao as well.
Oh, it's cacao. Real chocolate right there. So what do you do with the pineapple?
Pineapple actually just eat it. The pineapple.
Just eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We don't make it tea or coffee as well.
Wow, this is crazy. Look at this.
Here we go. Here is our swing area. Actually, we have 3 different swings here. Number 1 here, that's lower. We have the bigger one, and then the last one on the corner, that's the highest one, but a little bit extreme for the highest one. Yeah?
Yeah.
And also we have the for the pictures over there, only for the picture, not for swing.
Alright, so we have a variety of coffee and tea that they've grown fresh on the farm and prepared. So there's a sample here of each thing that they have, and we're going to try some of the poop coffee as well and let you know what that tastes like. We're not going to walk you through what each one tastes like, but I'm going to walk you through my top 3 as well as the poop coffee. So let's get started. Alright, so first up we got the ginger tea. We're going to try the teas before the coffee because I feel like the coffee is going to throw off the taste of the tea, but the tea won't throw off the taste of the coffee. That's the strongest ginger tea I ever tasted. It's literally, it tastes like real ginger was made with this, not no stuff you buy in a box in the store. This tastes like they just made this with real ginger. This is spiced tea, but it doesn't really taste very spicy. It's kind of like, I don't know, melon or something. This one is Rosso tea. This one's like berries. They all feel very clean and natural. That's one thing that I will give them for sure. Ooh, lemongrass. Tastes very lemony. Very smooth. Very, very lemony. And it's made with real lemongrass, as you guys saw in the video. This is mangosteen. Kind of tastes like vitamin water. Except for like cleaner. So down here we got some Bali coffee. This is strong. It is black and it's got some coffee grounds on it, but it might have been better with a little more sugar and milk, but it's not bad. It's just very strong. Some avocado coffee here. Oh, this is banging. I might have to buy a bag of this. This is probably the best one yet. Oh yeah. That's very creamy. It doesn't taste like avocados at all. It tastes very, very creamy. And we have some coconut coffee here. Again, creamy. Doesn't really taste a lot like coconut. You have a it's a hint of coconut. We got some ginseng coffee. That's different. Ooh, smells good. This one's okay. Some vanilla coffee. Ooh, this one's very vanilla-y, very creamy. Finally, we're gonna try this poop coffee. Let's wipe the spoon down, give it a good mix. Alright guys, I'm drinking coffee made from poop. It actually looks weird too. It's got like, I don't know, some stuff on top. It looks very weird. Doesn't smell like poop. Oh. No. No, no, no. This is more of a novelty. This is not something that I would personally drink, but it's something maybe you should experience. I don't know if I'll be finishing this one. This is the one I paid for, it's the worst part. I can't even tell you what it tastes like because I've never tasted anything like it. Don't know. It's very different. Alright, so do you want to know my top 3 favorite coffees here at this coffee farm? The first one is the avocado coffee. Number 2 is the vanilla coffee. And number 3 is the coconut coffee. If you're in Bali, this is actually a must-do if you come to Bali. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.